Two words that go hand in hand, Ford and iconic. So why not build an iconic silver 2022 Ford F-150 Black Ops by Tuscany? This is the Glacier edition and available here at Reddick Brown Ford. You're going to see a lot of iconic names in the truck as well. You're going to see BDS, you're going to see Fox, obviously Tuscany involved. Now this is a 2022 F-150 hard-loaded Lariat chassis, 5-liter V8 engine, 10-speed transmission, beautiful hard-loaded truck. So you're going to see a lot of optional equipment that have been hard to get from the plant from Ford lately. So you got a lot of great equipment. Custom front bumper, custom hood. You got a beautiful tire and wheel upgrade, a lot of body cladding. It's going to make this thing look stylish and sleek and not like every other truck that's out there on the road. Beautiful tonneau cover that's painted to match with that dualed out exhaust. If you have questions about this truck or any others that we've got here at Reddick Brown Ford, you can call or text me at 615-397-3331. I'm Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager here. Enjoy this awesome truck.